Sophie Grégoire, the spouse of Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, has tested positive for the novel coronavirus disease. Grégoire Trudeau and her husband have been self-isolated since Thursday. She started getting symptoms of the virus when she got back from a trip to the UK. Healthcare workers say her symptoms are mild.
I want to be clear, I have no symptoms, and I'm feeling good. And technology allows me to work from home.
Canadian researchers have managed to isolate and grow copies of the new coronavirus behind COVID-19. This means that scientists can better develop diagnostic testing, treatments, and vaccines to prevent the spread of infection. Fears about the coronavirus have caused many high-profile attractions to close, including Mount Everest. Nepal made the decision on Friday, and China closed its side of the mountain the day before. This means a big hit for the tourism industry, as Nepal issues hundreds of permits to climb Everest every year, worth more than $4 million. Other big attractions to close: Disneyland and Universal Studios. The theme parks in California, Florida, and Paris will shut down from this weekend through the end of the month due to the global outbreak of coronavirus.
I do think it could be overplayed a little bit, but at the same time, as a parent, you just kind of want to be precautious.
Premier League clubs are now in self-isolation after Arsenal manager Mikel Arteta and Chelsea midfielder Callum Hudson-Odoi have both tested positive for COVID-19. The league announced on Friday that all elite soccer matches in England would be suspended until April 3rd.
We're, taking all the necessary precautions that probably everyone is doing. We've had a few players that have shown symptoms and signs. So we're following procedure really, and them. So they've obviously been kept away at this moment from the rest of the squad, and then we'll see how that develops.
Chinese medical staff brought a plane load of respirators and masks to Italy on Thursday. This is to help the country deal with its growing spread of coronavirus, as residents remain under a nationwide lockdown. A team of 9 people brought some 30 tons of equipment on a direct flight from Shanghai. Italy is the worst affected country in the world after China. The virus has killed more than 1,000 people in Italy since last month.